Hello and welcome to the PTOC podcast. Today we have Dr. Navin Thakkar sir. So welcome sir to the podcast.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting.
Yes. So what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you listen to the word precision in trauma surgery?
The precision in trauma surgery is for the precision of planning. The planning is very much important. And if you plan on a paper and if you fail, there is no consequences. But if you do not plan and you plan during the operation or you are not plan what you are doing in the operation theater, then it has a great consequences to you and patient outcome both.
Yes.
So and precision is required everywhere in the life, except when you are enjoying. You don't require any precision. It should be abundant. That's all.
Yes. Sir. So sir, do you think nowadays orthopedic surgeons they rely too much on CT and MRI? Is it true? What do you think?
No, no, they are relying on CT and MRI, but first they have to rely on listening the patient, their complaint. Then have to focus. To narrow the focus, you may add any investigation to narrow down to your differential diagnosis, and then you come to know this is the condition and these are the options. Then you can explain very well the patient. This is your condition. Suppose I have a same condition. I have this much of options. If you are my family member, then I will treat like this. And I want that this is the better option as you are my family member. So I am choosing this option. Then if you have any questions, you ask the questions and then we can plan together. So CT and MRI is also important for when you are not arriving at some decision, then they are the tools. So every tool should be used, but used judiciously. The clinical tool must be used first, then you narrow down your tools so that you can reduce the cost also.
Yes, sir. And sir, how important is communication with the patient and his relatives, especially before operating him?
Each and every communication with the patient, communication with the relative, communication with the staff, communication with the anesthetist, communication with the plastic surgeon or a physician, every communication is very very important, and particularly to the patient because they are not knowing anything. So you have to explain them each and every alternative possibilities. Once you explain and make them a part of the decision making, then it is always helpful. So it will be a team of taking the decision. And once the team takes the decision as a family member, I believe that any decision you take for your family member, the same decision you should take for the patient. And same explanation should be given. Then your intent are clear. You may make mistakes, but your intentions are clear. Then there won't be any problem with the patient or anywhere where you communicate.
Yes, sir. And so, do you remember any case of yours which went wrong, but you learnt so much from it? Any such
There will
memory?
be many cases where it may went wrong,
Hmm.
but once your intention is clear, you declare that there is something wrong here, and we'll have to revise it,
Hmm.
and you revise it with the full confidence and full preparations. Then this can happen with anybody, everybody.
And so, who should ideally adopt the navigation and robotics because it is coming so much nowadays? So, who ideally are best suited to adapt it? The young ones or who exactly?
See, again, you are talking about the technological tools.
Hmm.
These are all technological tools, navigation and robotics and
Yes.
everything. Technology will come and go.
Hmm.
If technology can sustain, then it is proved that it is useful.
Hmm.
The all technologies which are useful, they will stay, and technologies which are not useful, they will be given away.
Hmm.
So, if you feel that you should do it, you do it, but it has its own cost.
Yes. And so, what three things do you have in mind before you enter the OT?
Yes, these three things always I must have in mind that I must be clear
Hmm.
that what is my plan A,
Hmm.
what is my plan B, what is my plan C, and it is drawn very well on the paper and kept in the operation theater. And everybody should be knowing who are assisting and everybody. Second part is and anesthetist is also informed, and everything has to be informed. So when it is a planned one and you have everything ready in the operation theater, then you are at ease and you can take your own decisions per operative, whatever is the plan you may change, partly or fully. Then you are satisfied.
Okay.
Ad hoc decisions, total ad hoc
Hmm.
decisions may not work.
Hmm. Yes, sir. And sir, when you practice for such a long time, you become a famous orthopedic surgeon. Everyone knows you. So, how difficult it is to stay grounded? Is it easy or is it very difficult?
It depends on your training, your personality, your perceptions,
Hmm.
and your thinking about the life. Once you think about your life that I'm a small specule in whole universe,
Hmm.
then you will not have a ego. Everybody is going to vanish one day.
Yes, sir.
So you remain always grounded, particularly in communication,
Hmm.
interacting with this. And nobody remembers your knowledge, nobody remembers your wealth,
Hmm.
but always and always they remember how you behaved with someone.
Hmm.
That is always remembered.
Yes, sir.
That is the only
Definitely.
thing which is remembered. Nobody remembers how much worth you are having, how much knowledge you are having, how much expert you are. Ultimately, it boils down to how you reacted to whatever communication you have done with X, Y, Z. What was your gesture? That is remembered.
Yes, a very golden word, sir. And sir, what is your biggest fear in life? Do you have any fear?
No, I have no fear. As such, there is no fear in the life. Fear, there is no fear.
Hmm. And sir, how important it is for orthopedic surgeons, especially, to stay fit and avoid the burnout syndrome that we are
Yeah,
listening
yes,
nowadays?
yes. This is the typical problem
Hmm.
of burnout. So once you are planning well and you're planned well and you've decided that this much hours I'm going to work
Hmm.
and this much I want. Uh, want has no end. It's endless. What is your need
Hmm.
and the greed? If your greed is there, then you are burning out. So anything you get at the cost of other.
Hmm.
You cannot go completely everything.
Right, sir.
If you get working hours more, then you lose the family, you lose your own hours. So remain healthy, take give time to yourself, and have at least two hobby. One is outdoor and one indoor. So once you become aged
Hmm.
and you cannot do the outdoor hobby, at least you can do indoor hobby.
Yes, sir. And sir, as we all know, PTOC has completed 20 years this year. So, your any thoughts on the journey of PTOC over the
Yes,
years?
yes. As much as I know about the PTOC, as said by Dr. Parag, is that it started with the fracture
Hmm.
fixation course with Dr. N.S. Lad sir, the
Hmm.
great teacher, and Dr. K. Sancheti sir. Then fracture fixation course was converted into a fracture course.
Hmm.
Then it is now converted into a Pune Trauma Operative Course with live
Yes, sir.
surgeries. So it is gradually become popular and useful for everybody. Now every idea is taken up practically, that case discussion, live surgery, exactly interacting with the faculty, choosing the faculty, and all faculty are also delivering fantastically, and delegates are also interacting. So once there is an interaction, then it may help in day-to-day practice. So whenever a faculty can give some idea which has changed their own practice, and if they
Hmm.
share the idea, and if that can change the practice of someone else,
Hmm.
that helps that orthopedic surgeon economically, they boost up their ego,
Hmm.
they boost up their finance also. At the same time, they improve the outcome of the patients. And ultimately, that is a building block for the Bharat, India.
Yes, sir. Very true, sir. So now we come to the final segment of our podcast. We'll have a short rapid fire round. So speed or precision?
Precision.
CT scan or clinical judgment?
Clinical judgment first.
Early fixation or staged fixation?
Whenever you feel that it will harm early fixation, then stage one.
One
as per
complication.
the setup.
Okay. Sir, one complication that you fear the most कि ये नहीं होना चाहिए.
One complication that here I should not be damaging any serpentine structures.
Yes, sir. And your favorite implant or the implant that you trust the most?
There is nothing like favorite implant. The principles are important, not the implant. Implant may change according to the fracture configuration and the stability what you want to. The ultimate principle is you must have a good stability which can sustain till the fracture union. So stability should be given. That is our area. Reduction should be perfect and stability has to be given. Then the nature will work for that.
And so, if not an orthopedic surgeon, what other profession would you have chosen?
I was chosen to be engineer.
Okay, sir.
Maybe I may be engineer or I may be IS officer or somewhere in the administration.
You would have done great there also, sir, because we all know how legendary you are. And thank you for attending our podcast. Thank you so much, sir. And
Th-
we all are looking forward to IOCon this year. It is gonna
Yes,
be a very big,
yes,
big
yes, yes.
event
It is
for
will be
sure.
a big event, and Dr. Parag Bhai has already announced in this conference
Yes, sir.
for registration in the mass, and everybody is looking after this. So we have a great responsibility on our shoulder,
Yes,
and
sir.
we feel that the team of IOCON 2026 is a big team. They will take care of each and everything, and our proposition is that everybody should get what they need exactly in the IOCON.
Yes, sir.
Everybody has a different thing to take. What I will get out of this conference. Trade has a different thing,
Right, sir.
delegate is a different thing, faculty is a different thing. So everybody should have a win-win situation. And I wish and I welcome you all at IOCON 2026 at Ahmedabad. It will be a grand mega event.
Definitely, sir. We all will be there in huge numbers.
Thank
Thank you,
you,
sir. Thank
thank
you
you,
so much.
thank you, thank you.